Hi, I'm Jo Merry. I'm the head of HR for Western Europe at M+W Group. M+W Group is a leading global engineering, procurement, construction and project management company. Our workforce is mobile and dispersed as it's predominantly project-based. We initially reviewed our HR systems for the UK and Ireland businesses because M+W Group was moving to SAP Finance with SAP HR Minimaster. We already had an HR system in place, but it wasn't user-friendly and the two systems did not interface. HR Minimaster didn't give us everything we needed, so we needed to look for an alternate system. SuccessFactors was actually shown to us as an alternate solution. We needed a system that interfaced with SAP Finance, but we needed something that provided self-service to our employees and raised the bar in terms of HR service delivery. So SuccessFactors was able to help us to streamline and automate some of our processes, and we've been able to get rid of all the complicated spreadsheets we used to use for reporting purposes. We've dramatically reduced the volume of paperwork in the office through the use of self-service facilities, and uptake's been great. Some of our earliest adopters actually of the mobile apps were our CEO and COO, and they've been great advocates for the system, which is actually now being adopted on a global level within the group. So we have a happy HR team now, as we have an easy to use, intuitive HR solution. I would absolutely recommend SuccessFactors. It's easy to use, it's flexible. When we were looking for an implementation partner, we were a small team, we were time poor, and we needed someone who really understood that. So we met with a couple of implementation consultants, but we felt that Gavdi understood our business the best, listened to our concerns and our time pressures, and really worked with us to find a solution that suited us. Gavdi were really flexible and offered us working around our day job commitments. Gavdi offered us alternatives and solutions to processes and helped us with best practice. Gavdi were part of M+W for the period of implementation and provided solutions that were good for us. Not necessarily easy for Gavdi because you actually had our interests at the forefront during the implementation. Personally, now when I look at new suppliers for HR, I always look for ones who are interested in developing partnerships rather than straight contract exchange relationships, simply because of the great way that we worked with Gavdi. I really enjoyed working with Gavdi. The project was hard work because we set ourselves really tight timescales, but Gavdi worked with us to help it happen. When choosing an implementation partner, the one thing I would say is you need to get on with them. They have to fit in your team because you spend a lot of time working together, and they really need to understand your business and how it works. Gavdi took the time to do that and didn't recommend anything that wasn't going to help us achieve our goals. Would I recommend Gavdi? Absolutely. They were great to work with, they met their commitments, and they were implementation partners, not implementation consultants.